The hidden blink tutorial that the babies want is here. And the baby said, hope to produce a phase of materials and instructions for using the tool. This time, the salty and salty are sorted out together. Post it in the comment area. Babies in need can refer to after confirming the connection position between the body and the head. We put a layer of cardboard around the eyes. If the paper is not thick enough, remember to stick to layers. Test the eyelids in the slide. Is it possible to move silky smooth? Then move the bottom end of the eyelid to the top of the eyelid. Mark the top and bottom positions. Shaded area. We need to scratch it off with a carving knife. Prepare a piece of cardboard to make handles that move eyelids. Salty in the video. Salty steps fold into the shape of an M. Apply glue to the part of the handle and stick it well. Cut off the excess parts with scissors. Baby leisure suggestion who started the plastic sealing film. Cut off the excess plastic seal to make this handle. Press the eyelids in the slide and turn them to the back. Stick the handle. At present, Salty often uses another method to make handles. Just use a card. Fold a little square piece like this. Both have advantages and disadvantages. The former is convenient for pulling eyelids. The latter is not easy to be crushed only after being laid flat. Let's see how the babies choose for themselves. After completing this step, we spike the body with 2 feet. Connect with the head. Swing your body to see if there is any problem. After confirming that it is correct, dial the eyelids up. Stick your face and you're done. Here we go. Let's enjoy the poultry sauce contributed by fans. Show your babies to different methods. Made handle. Salty here was another lotus root. Come and help with the comparison. Babies, have you learned?